All right, so I just came back from the Berlin Hacker House this weekend and I got a bag full of merchandise with me. So if you're going to your next Solana event, make sure to also leave space for enough merch because there's going to be a lot. So without further ado, let's check out what we have acquired. So firstly, there's the FOMO magazine. Shout out to them. As stickers are dripping out because that's how I kept them. So let's unveil what kind of stickers we're dealing with. We got the Sling Money. Shout out to them. They're doing really cool payment systems. And builders, of course. Shout out to Culture and Nick. And then audio-visual NFTs. Shout out to Nusha, who's also at the Solana Hot Girls Club. Shout out to them. I was actually helping out Nusha with some development stuff at the hacker houses. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. And then let's unveil what is happening with all of these other stickers. We got Stoned Ape cards, pretty sick. They're basically running all the merchandise at the hacker houses because yeah, they have tons of merch. Check it out. And then of course we got Soul Flare, the stickers, and they also leaked some pretty sick alpha that is going to change the game. And then we have a lot of staking facilities. We got 3 stickers from them. Oh, actually, I took double, I think, but never mind. Stakingfacilities.com, and I think I'm actually staking with them. And then, what else do we have here? Stoned Ape Tigers, and the very sick ultimate wallet stickers. I'm sure you've seen these around if you're in Germany because Henry DeFi is the ultimate sticker guy. And actually, fun fact, this is the first time I tried out the ultimate wallet at the hacker houses, and I must say it is a super smooth wallet experience, much better than Phantom, I must say. So yeah, check it out if you need a mobile wallet. And more staking facilities. And of course, we got the Monkey DAO stickers, LFG. And then we have Trigger, on-chain automation. Carlos over there doing a really good job. And yeah, Hacker House stickers. I don't even know if you can see the things I'm pointing at the camera, but yeah. Let's just roll with it. And of course, we have the Monastery keychain. Woo! It's yeah, responsible for all the point of sale stuff. And yeah, without them, I don't know what Solana Foundation would do. So shout out to CM in Fatality. All right, and also got this cool little Yugi Bao. I saw that they were doing some really cool animations, so I just went up and talked to them. And I got this sick Yugi Bao guy for that. Actually, I don't even know if... Oh my god. Actually, my bad. I think I dropped it when I was at the airport. But in its entirety, the Yugi Bao is doing some pretty cool stuff, and if you need some kind of animation, visuals, producing high quality animations, then you should definitely consider hitting them up because yeah, their stuff is really sick, and they've also been working with tons of other ecosystem projects. Shout out to them. Really nice speaking to the guys over there. And then let's get on to the clothing stuff. So I officially became the 100th member of Super Team Germany, and I got this nice white t-shirt with it. And then I also got the sick ass hoodie. Has Solana on the sleeve and on the chest as well. What else do we have? We have the Bonk World Tour, which you could get if you also got the FOMO magazine. And then we have all the sponsors in the back. Pretty cool. Bonk is the people's coins, not financial advice. And then we have, what else do we have here? Whoa! A t-shirt from TXO, and with a really cool drawing in the back. Shout out to TXO. I think actually the Blessed Burgers X NFT was featured in their article once. So yeah, super grateful for that, for actually checking us out. And what else do we have here? Oh, nice. We have the Ultimate t-shirt from the Ultimate Wallet guys. Really sick blue color. Does it have anything in the back? Oh, yes it does. A bunch of cryptocurrencies. Nice. And what else do we have? We have the Solana t-shirt for the actual event, Berlin 2023. Alright, so many t-shirts. This is why you shouldn't be bringing your own clothing, which is one of the mistakes that I made. And yeah, thankfully I had a pretty decent sized bag. And what else? Oh yeah, the ultimate wallet cap. The Ultimate Wallet guys are really leading the merchandise at the hacker houses. So yeah, just make sure you're not fading them, because the wallet experience is really smooth as butter, and I was definitely not paid to say any of these things. What else do we have? Oh, another t-shirt. Whoa, so much stuff. We have another Solana t-shirt, but this one is from the Super Team UK and it has a really sick print on the back. Nice. And then the moment you've all been waiting for, the much beloved neon jacket that is only reserved for Super Team DAO members. Actually only Super Team Germany, I think. Hands down, Super Team Germany has the sickest merch. So let's try this on, and Super Team! Alright, and then it also comes with the Solana Vipers. LFG! So yeah, with that I have officially become Solananized. I've officially become a Solana maxi with all of this merch to represent the ecosystem. So shout out to everyone at the Berlin Hacker Houses. It was great meeting everyone and to connect with fellow builders and glass chewers. And I guess yeah, see you at Breakpoint, and continue building, keep hustling, and let's improve Solana. LFG.